When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't,
Nagkakilala kami sa office.
Office.
Crush niya ako.
I won't be afraid just as long as you stay.
Kinaibigan niya ako, kinaibigan niya yung mga friends ko. Tapos, nahulog din ako sa kanya and then tumagal kami for 12 years. Ngayon, ikakasal na.
Stand by me. Stand by me.
Hindi ka na lalakad mag-isa because after today, you are my home, my life, and my better half.
May something sa kanya eh. Hindi ko rin ma-explain eh.
Sobrang bait. Kayo yung ibang tao nga sinasabi sa akin. Ang swerte mo naman kay Dan kasi sobrang bait. Pero mabait din naman ako. So, ayun. Naiyak na. Naiyak agad ako.
I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, please say to me, let me be your.
Today, I stand before you with a heart full of love and a promise that will last a lifetime. Sa harap ng Diyos, ng ating pamilya, at ng ating kaibigan, ngayon, I vow to love you with all I am.
I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand.
After 12 years, finally, hindi na kami separate na tao. So, isa na lang kami. Yun yung hinihintay talaga namin. Pinaghandaan talaga namin to eh.
Parang ang bilis lang ng 12 years na parang hindi ko ini-expect na 12 years na pala. Parang ang sinasabi nila na parang kapag nag-enjoy ka parang hindi mo na namamalayan na gano'n na pala katagal. Parang gano'n yung experience ako.
Wala eh, kasi parang pag wala siya, parang hindi ako kompleto. Wow! Kanino galing to? Ngayong araw na to, habang sinisimulan natin ang bagong yugto ng buhay, gusto kong ibigay sa'yo ang espesyal na bagay na to. Ito ang paalala na kahit saan man tayo dalhin ng panahon, ikaw at pagmamahal mo ang gusto kong kasama. Love God. Oh! Oh! Good girl! Kasi I'm a good girl. Wow, thank you, Dad. Love you.
Learn to trust what lay before. Knew that we were made for something more. I want it all, the good and bad and all that's in between.
Alam ko kung gaano mo ka-love ang basketball. Maybe this is a reminder that I will always support you in doing whatever you love. And that I will always be your number one fan. I love you, Jen. Yes. Hi, boy. Thank you. Sobrang thank you. And salamat sa alawang sa paglalaro. Bolis lang.
Places yet unknown.
Dan, regalo sa iyo ng Panginoon, si Jen. Ayaw ng Diyos na ikaw ay mapag-isa. Sa iyong pagtanda, makakasama mo si Jen sa hirap at sa ginhawa. And Jen, kapag nanghina o nagka-problema, si Dan, maging kalakasan ka.
Learn to trust what lay before. Knew that we were made for something more. I want it all. The good and bad and all that's in between. As long as you stand.
Sa bawat laban, ako ay magiging kakampi mo. Be your armor, safe place, and your quiet strength. Mahal na mahal kita ngayon, bukas, at pang-hapon.
Dan, simula ngayon, hindi mo na kailangang gawin ang kahit ano ng mag-isa. Pangako, sa bawat ako, may ikaw. I will always be here for you. Because starting today, you are my home, my heart, and now my better half. I love you.